guys, my name is Emily, and today I'm at McDonald's for cause we're gonna go eat before we go check about our owl pet, cause I wanna get an owl, so we're gonna see how much it costs us, but we're not sure if we're gonna get an owl today. So see you over there in the store later.
We already arrived to the place. And, there's animals over there. I ripped out something. I ripped my eye so bad. So I don't know if we're gonna go to the doctor after this or we're just gonna go back home. But it doesn't hurt. But only when I touch it, you just want to take off something out of it. I don't know, but we're walking, so we're gonna fast forward.
Put that body on me. I'm coming now, follow my lead. Come coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like
So guys, we are confused a lot because there's a lot of places. And look, this bunnies, chickens, pigs, and goats, and gooses. A lot of those what they call them? Goats. I'm sorry. Okay. Look at these piggies. Do they need to touch them? Guys, look. That big dog, he's super big. I think he's bigger than mine. Oh my god! Ah, look at these doggies! Pony! Oh my god, let's see. Oh my god, look!
Mira qué chiquita, Maya.
No, mira, mira allá, mami. Allá.
Si vuelvo a comprar, me compraré uno, pero más verde.
Para hacerlo como queramos.
Ajá. Si es que llevamos algún animal, va a ser bebé.
Chickens over there. My mom said we don't find owls because we just barely found out they're illegal. We're gonna get something that's a baby. Cause I rather get a baby, right? Cause you want it to know you, right? We just saw lamb. Mary had a little lamb, but there are no white ones. That's my way to speak to lambs and chickens.
Ellos son bien bonitos, Mayra. Estos hacen
Look
la
at
cola.
these.
Pero no tiene
These are they're women, I suppose, or man, because men have their tail and they look pretty. But Mary had a little lamb that was dark. That was dark and beautiful still. Puppy's never gonna wake up. Little guy. Oh my god. They're so cute, the animals. Have you ever wanted one of these animals? So, we just found these. Are these two are talking? Gobble, gobble.
Esos te pican.
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble.
Es para comerlos en diciembre.
This way.
Sí, te lo dejo así, con
Oh my god. Gobble, gobble, gobble. There are, all of them are laughing. Look at that one. Oh my god, they're all so cute. Look, wanna go again?
Pon la cámara, Mora. Mira. Mira.
Oh, we saw chickens. They're all so cute, but their story, what happens to them before they come to here, is so sad. Chicky, look at that dog.
Mira, aquí hay patos.
Oh my God, there's
Con
ducks.
un par de patas tenemos.
Voy a preguntar.
So we found these. I just calling them masked animals because it looks like they have a mask. Gooses? No. Oh my God, piggies!
Qué
Guys,
bonito y me lo voy a comprar.
¿en serio?
¿En serio, ma? ¿En serio?
Ok,
I
bye.
want a piggy.
Un conejo.
La verdad que ni he
So,
preguntado.
I'm
Nada más
gonna
aquí me
put
dijeron porque andamos
these
buscando
here.
pájaros. ¿No? Aquí venden pájaros.
So we're looking at the birds now.
The same requirements, the same
Oh, no, they're little
veterinary
chickens.
stuff,
Son los bebés.
because I was selling hatching eggs all over the
Ok.
The baby chickens, but they're no more.
I have to have that for 2 weeks.
Pigs for sale.
¿Dónde están los
Eggs for sale.
pigs? ¿Son puerquitos?
No, yo creo que esos pigs son
More animals to see if they'll keep one or buy one. Ah, look at the little llama.
No.
We're crossing the bridge. I feel bad for that little llama. It has to be separated. Poor llama. I know how you feel without your mama.
En el Gran Lago.
No, no. I peces.
That is not.
So we just found the cutest dog. Two cute dogs. I love cute dogs. We are trying to see. We're making a decision. We didn't find no owl, so we are gonna get a piggy. But I'm not sure we are gonna get one.
I got this one.
To leave a lot well while I'm over here looking at everything. So my mom's just saying that if we get a pig, it has to be a baby. So then we could train it like everything. And look, we just found something for the pets when they want to go for a roll. They see me rolling, they hate it. They gotta catch me running, I wanna want me daddy. So my brother and I, well, my mom, my grandma, and my mom, we got 2 girl chickens and 1 man. The 2 women's already lay eggs, and this one, we just bought it for fun. Because my grandma wanted, and this gold. It's a gold one. We go back home. I'm gonna show you how they look like. And we're gonna keep them in the cage where we used to keep our old bunnies in. So we are about to go to the other place to buy my brother a bird, and we just saw birds for rides. And I told my mom, can we get home one? And she said, what? Do you want to have the bird or the rides? And then I just didn't answer her. But I got a bird. We'll show you when we get back home. So we're at the store. These, these, they bite. They're trained still. And no, like those are like more out. So like I'm scared to go near them. Like they won't fly away. I don't know what to do. Do y'all want to fly away? Okay, let's see if you can see it. She's a girl. My brother's gonna get one as well. I don't have it. It's dark. That's how it looks like.
Maybe I'll get a hamster next year and get one of those cages.
My brother might get a hamster, and I'm saying no because hamsters. Remember what happened last time, bro? You broke its nose. So I already got my birds. You can hear it chirping. As they say, you need to take it, like you need to love them a lot, or else they won't love you back. So we are back, home sweet home. We put the 2 chickens in there, and guys, we can't take them out right now because we're gonna start they fix their houses, and so next video we're gonna show the chickens, the 2 birds, and my brother's and my grandma's bird. I meant, oh, that's a handful. Well,